Because this narcissism is not working, my brothers and sisters. अपनी हस्ती को सोचते रहेंगे तो खुदा की हस्ती कैसे नजर आएगी? If we all we are seeking is self-praise, then where is the time and space for praising the Creator and His evidence? This narcissism is not working. Fake praise, fake friends, fake realities are bringing us anxieties, not happiness. It is in the remembrance of Allah that hearts can find comfort, Allah Ta'ala says. Becoming Allah's beggar will replace our insecurities and anxieties with contentment. It doesn't kill worldly ambition. I don't want anyone out there thinking we don't want our children to be successful. It doesn't kill your worldly ambition. It just purifies it. And with Allah, we're always good enough. And once you are Allah's beggar, you will not have to beg anyone else.